While your funnels populate your first objectives and key results, you can also create additional OKRs to represent the other outcomes marketing is expected to deliver in the plan. By consistently tying every expectation to an objective and key result, you'll later be able to report total return, not just sales and pipeline, in your ROI reports. To create a new OKR, click New. Provide a name that gives a good overarching description of what you'll ultimately want to achieve. Something like increase brand awareness, or improve talent retention, launch new product, or improve customer net revenue retention. There are many options that you could go with. With a clearly worded objective that directly ties back to a company-wide goal, now it's time to add key results that are clearly measurable and everyone agrees is a good proxy for representing the objectives being achieved. This can be done one or multiple key results. Using our increased brand awareness example, click the menu icon and add key result. Now, provide a clear, concise, measurable statement for the name, like generate 100,000 total new user visits. This statement has a clear target, 100,000, and a clear metric, new user visits, that is unambiguous. It can't be confused with total visits versus visitors or new versus repeat. And in this case, new is a relevant trait that represents expanding brand awareness, and visitors represents unique individual people. So it serves to be a good proxy for increased brand awareness. So fill in the metric format, and target fields as indicated. So I'll paste in new user visits into the name of the metric. It is a number, and the target is 100,000. Lastly, and this is the most important part, ask yourself and your management team, what is this result worth to us? The answer is up to you and your team. How you arrive at that answer depends on the nature of the key result and your unique business model. But much like placing value on any asset, a building, land, assets like office furniture and computer equipment, it can be done. In Revup, this is called equivalent financial value. Many of these OKRs can be measured in equivalent financial value, or EFV, by working through the process of, quote, how much does it cost to pay for this outcome through a media program? Or what percent of these outcomes become customers ultimately? For example, if this business knows that 1% of every new visitor becomes a lead, and in the funnels exercise, it was established that a lead is valued at $2,000 to this business, then a new unique visitor has an EFV of $20. We click Save, and our new key result has been added. The three key results that we have aggregate together to add up to whether we're achieving the overall objective.